Hi again, thank you for watching Maison Network channel. And with me today, I'm gonna unboxing this product. This is called CXSSD-1001 LED magnetic dormitory lamp. Okay, so this product is I bought in Shopee, so you can look into the outside. Here, this is the model number, and then the description in Chinese, but you can translate it in Google Translate. And also this is the factory. Okay, so the product itself, let's unboxing. First is the micro USB. The lamp itself, and this is the charging port, and this is the touch point, and then the magnetic clip-on. And the manual, as it's called manual, it's in Chinese and also English. Okay, so product instruction, everything here, installation instruction, and the this 5 volt, and you can later I will put down the list down all the info below the video. So this is actually nice. What I like it because of, okay, the magnetic, you can place it on the wall and you just plug on, you will hold on. And then how to on it, switch on. So this is a switch on, you just press one more and one more, it's more dimmer, 3, and the 4th time is off, and then you can charge this. So that's it from me, and I will put on the link of the product if you want to buy it. Thank you.